Hey guys, so this is really fucking wild and I want to share. I recently trained a ChatGPT 4 model to basically give me stock market predictions and it's working. I actually just asked it yesterday to give me a short-term forecast on the SPX and it's actually helped me made today, I think like $6,000 over futures from last night to today. And somebody from TikTok actually asked me to do it on PLTR, right? So it's encountering issues, technical issues on modifying the image. So, but thankfully I can actually export the code because I did tell it to, still give me the code. It did. I ran it myself on my own computer and I basically dropped it off so you guys are able to see it on like live, right? And this is the results that it gave, right? This is short term on the 4 hour, right? So short term, it is saying that we're going on PLTR back up to about 23 bucks. And prior to that, it actually saying that GameStop is going to like a $55 target price tag, right? So GameStop to $55 stock price today, it's at 20 bucks already, right? And this is on the 1 month time frame. But for the person who asked me about the PLTR, here's her chart. Short term, it's saying it wants to go back up to like around 23 bucks on PLTR. Let's see where we are today. All right, as of right now, I think I just did it. There we go. So it does look like it's actually closing a bull trigger in about 10 minutes. So I would definitely be interested in longing this back up to around, actually let's do this. So personally, if I had to guess, my first target would actually be 21.21, right? Which is that first order block right here. Second target would actually be 24.69. And if we run this again, if you guys have been following my page, I do a lot of investment and technical analysis stuff, and as far as indicators and long-term investment, I actually think I generally have the best indicators in the world. I don't think anybody in the world can ever beat me long-term investing using my indicators. And I do think that as of right now, you are probably headed back to 23 bucks. I actually think a little bit higher. First target 21.20. I actually think a little bit higher, probably to like a $24 PLTR. But again, this is what the AI is giving. It's predicting that, we are going back to like a $23. There's alert on ES1. Did it just hit? Wow, did it pop? Oh, dang, it just hit target. And just like that, I just made, I think, like $9,500, I think. I think that I'm trading on Top Step X, and I think it just hit. I think my position just closed out at about $9,500 profit. But yeah, PLTR, crazy prediction. Is it going to get there? If I had to take a guess, I think it is. Usually when I do these, it runs like on the 4 hour, I think it's maybe like a week or two out. On the month, it's about 30 days. On the 24 hour, sorry, it's about 30 days. So I don't know. Give me your stock picks and I'll keep running them for you guys. But PLTR, it's crazy, bro. I trained the model. It seems like it's working pretty well. It already predicted this SPX move to 526. I literally asked it what it was gonna do. I took the long like here somewhere, right here, and I'm out. $9,500 profit. So I'll see you guys later.